Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online video lecture on the model game theory, that too on the topic that is mixed strategy. Here, problems on mixed strategy without saddle point using analytical method. In the previous video lecture, that you have solved the problems on pure strategy with the existence of saddle point by using max mini max principle. Now today in this lecture that we are going to discuss the problems on mixed strategy. You can solve by using the method, that is analytical method, without saddle point. Okay, keep it in mind, max mini max principle that you can use for the problem where the saddle point is exist. Now the analytical method that you can use for the problem having without any saddle point. Now the analytical method we can apply only for the matrix which is having 2 into 2 order. Okay, now see here, 2 into 2 means the basic format of this matrix is player A is having two strategy A1 A2, the player B having two strategies B1 B2, and whatever the small a b c d, these are the elements in the payoff matrix. Now we can write the optimal strategies and probabilities. We can write the matrix including the optimal strategy as well as probabilities. Now here write the matrix, that is SA, that is for the player A. Okay, how many strategies having player A? Two strategies A1 A2, just write down in the form of row A1 A2, and he is having the probabilities P1 P2 for the player A. Similarly for player B, that is SB matrix, that is indicated by B1 B2 are the strategies having the player B, and Q1 Q2 are the probabilities, and where P1 plus P2 equals to 1, Q1 plus Q2 equals to 1. How we are going to find out the probabilities? P1, that is the formula is given, D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C, and P2 equals to, that is 1 minus P1. Q1 equals to, that is for the probabilities for the player B, that is D minus B divided by A plus D minus B plus C, and Q2 equals to 1 minus Q1, and value of the game, that is given by A into D minus B into C divided by A plus D minus B plus C. Now this is the problem. You can solve this problem by using analytical method. Here we are having two players, player A, player B. Player A having two strategies A1 A2, and player B is having two strategies B1 B2, and he has given the elements 8 minus 3 minus 3 1. These are all small a is equals to 8, small b equals to minus 3, small c equals to minus 3, small d equals to 1. Now we can start the solving this problem by using analytical method. Before going for analytical method, first we need to check whether the saddle point is exist or not for this problem. How we are going to find out the saddle point is exist or not? By using minimax and max mini principle here. The given matrix is 8 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. First in A1 row, choose the minimum value minus 3, and A2 row, the minimum value is minus 3. The both values are equal here. The max mini value are minus 3. And next we need to find out the minimax value. In the B1 column, which one is the maximum value? 8. In the B2 column, which one is the maximum value? 1. Among these maximum values, which one is the minimum? 1. So that you can call it as minimax value. Here for this problem, max mini value is not equals to minimax. Max mini you got -3 and minimax you got 1. Both values are not equal, so that indicates saddle point is not exist. Now go for writing the optimal strategy for the player A. As I said in the previous slide, the optimal strategy for the player A, the SA matrix that is given by how many strategies they are having player A, A1, A2, write down in the form of row, and probabilities P1, P2. And similarly for the optimal strategy for the player B, SB matrix that is given by two strategies player B having, write down B1, B2, and the probability is Q1, Q2. One thing you need to keep it in mind, the analytical method is apply only for the order of the matrix 2 into 2. Now let the matrix, the given matrix you can take down 8 -3 -3 1. Okay, just compare with the standard matrix. The small a equals to b8, b equals to -3, small c equals to -3, small d equals to 1. Now go for applying the formula for find outing the p1 p2 value and as well as q1 q2 value. Now the p1 value is given, that is formula is there, d minus c divided by a plus d minus b plus c, that will gives the value that is 4 by 15. P1 equals to 4 by 15. How we are going to find out P2? P2 equals to 1 minus P1, that will give 11 by 5. Similarly find out the Q1, that is by using the formula d minus b divided by a plus b minus b plus c, that will give 4 by 15. And Q2 equals to 1 minus Q1, that will give the 11 by 15. So here we are getting P1 equals to 4 by 15, P2 equals to 4 by 15, Q1 equals to, P2 equals to 11 by 15, Q1 equals to 4 by 15 and Q2 equals to 11 by 15. Now write down the optimal strategies for the player A, that is SA matrix. Player A having A1, A2 strategies. Write down instead of P1, that is you can write 4 by 15 and P2 you can write 11 by 15. For the similarly for write down the player B, that is SB matrix B1, B2. Write down Q1 value, that is 4 by 15 and Q2 11 by 15. Here we are getting the value of the game, that is the formula A into D minus B into C divided by A plus D minus B plus C, that will give minus 1 by 15. Value of the game here, that is minus 1 by 15. Here we are getting negative value, that indicates what? The winner of the game is, that is player B. Suppose if you got value of the game positive, then player A will be the winner. And now here it got negative, so that player B is the winner. Now go for second problem. Here the problem he has given in the verbal form. Just read the problem here. Two players A and B are playing the game of tossing a coin simultaneously. Player A wins 1 unit of value when there are 2 heads and wins nothing when there are 2 tails, and loses 1 by 2 unit of value when there is 1 head and 1 tail. Determine the payoff matrix and the best strategy for each player and the value of the game. Now how many players are there here? 2 players, player A, player B. Now the player A wins 1 unit of value when there are 2 heads. Now for the player A, write down the heads and tails, and for the player B, heads and tails. Now player A wins 1 unit of value when there are 2 heads. Wherever the 2 heads are there, just write down 1 there. Okay, for the cell, that is 1 to 1 cell, we can write 1. Where the 2 heads are there, 1. Now wins nothing when there are 2 tails. Okay, write down wherever the 2 tails are coming, just write down there 0. That we can 2 cell, that is we can write 0. And loses 1 by 2 unit of value when there is 1 head and 1 tail. Now this is very important. the player A loses 1 by 2 unit of value when there is one head and one tail. Now one head and one tail for the 1 and 2 cell, that is have written minus 1 by 2. Why we written minus 1 by 2 means the losers, that is he loses 1 by 2. The losers means we can write in the form of negative. Suppose he wins means we can write only 1 by 2, but he loses 1 by 2, that we can write in the form of negative, so that minus 1 by 2 whenever it is one head and tail is there. Minus 1 by 2 for the cell, that is 1 2 cell, and for the 2 1 cell also tail and head you can write minus 1 by 2. Now we got the matrix, and go for solving that problem. Before going for solving, we can check the first saddle point is exist or not. In this problem the saddle point is not exist because of max mini value is not equals to minimax value. Next, go for optimal strategy for the two players. Write down SA player, that is head and tail, and P1 P2 for the player A. For the player B, SB matrix is given by HT Q1 Q2. Now find out the P1 value, that is using the formula D minus C divided by A plus D minus B plus C, that will gives 1 by 4. And P2 value, that is 1 minus P1 P2, that will gives 3 by 4. Similarly find out Q1, that will gives 1 by 4. Q1 equals to, that is Q2 equals to 1 minus Q1, that will gives 3 by 4. Now write down the optimal strategy for the player A SA matrix, that is head and tail. P1 is 1 by 4, wherever P2 is there write down 3 by 4. Player B SB matrix, that is given by head and tail, and instead of Q1 you can write 1 by 4. Q2 equals to, that is 3 by 4. Now find out the value of the game. Again here we are getting the value of the game. The formula is AD in minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C. We are getting again negative value, that is minus 1 by 8. Here in this game the player B is the winner. Now for the third problem, again A1 A2 are the strategies for the player A, B1 B2 are the strategies for the player B. And here also find out the max mini value are getting 1 and minimax value are getting 4. Now here it is the max mini value is not equals to the minimax value. 1 and 4 is not equal, and so that saddle point is not exist. A equals to 5, B equals to 1, C equals to 3, D equals to 4. Apply the probability 1, the P1 formula. Now we are getting 1 by 5, and P2 equals to are getting 4 by 5. Q1 equals to are getting 3 by 5, and Q2 equals to 2 by 5. Write down the optimal strategies for the player A SA equals to, that is matrix A1 A2 1 by 5 4 by 5 P1 P2 values. And for the player B SB matrix B1 B2, write down Q1 value is 3 by 5 and Q2 is 2 by 5. Value of the game we are getting, that is 17 by 5. That indicates that player A is a winner here because of the positive value. Thank you.